The trail is right over there. I need to put the camera away in case I fall in this part of it. Okay, I got a part across that deep part. So now I'm on the section of trail where it's just a light flow of water. There's probably 2 more crossings through the deeper, stronger flow. Now I'm on the way back down. The water I could still see kind of between me and that little building over there when I was up higher, so I don't know how far the water goes before it all disappears. It's starting to drizzle now. It's a little cloudier than it had been, but really very pleasant in here. And my shoes might have gotten destroyed by wading through that flow of water. It was pretty strong. Shoes got filled up with gravel. See a hole in one of them. But it was still very nice. The water has made it on down this far. That little house is over there, or old stone structure. And I'm not sure how well it'll show up in this, but there's still a very good flow of water on down here. Maybe it exits the canyon down there somewhere away from the parking lot.